Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 23. In this video, we will learn Excel file save as PDF or CSV file. So let's start. Let's say Excel file save as a PDF. Sometime you may want to share your Excel data with someone who doesn't have Excel. That's where the PDF format comes in handy. To save as a PDF, just click on the File tab, click on the Save As, and double click on this PC, and here the save as dialog box is open. Then choose the location where you want to save this PDF. So I select here the desktop. Then if you want to change the file name, just edit it and save as a file tab here. Just select here, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the PDF. You can select this option, just click on the option and you can select here the active sheet and type workbook also to convert this PDF. Okay, so I just select this as active sheet and just click on OK and click on the save. Okay, now I go to the desktop and here you can see your PDF is saved. I just simply double click on it to open your PDF, and here you go, your Excel data saved in your PDF. So that's it. And the second way, just simply go to the again file tab and click on the print option, and you can see the print preview here showing. Okay, in the print preview you can see our two pages, one and the second page is other datas. Okay, so here I want all data in one page, so I just go back and you can see here the one line showing page break line. I just go to the view tab and in workbook view just click on the page break preview. Okay, you can check here the page break preview and just adjust the data. So I want the last column also in my PDF, so I just drag this line and set here. I just again drag and set here, and I don't want this sentence, so I just drag and set here. Now is page number 1. Okay, I just click on the normal view and you can see here the line showing now here in last column. Now I just go to the file tab and click on the print option. Now you can see your data in one page, all data. Okay, now in printer select the PDF option, just click on this drop down arrow and select here Microsoft Print to PDF, then click on the print option. So here you can see save print output as dialog box is open. Then choose the location where you want to save. So I select the desktop and then enter the file name. So I just enter here the ABC, and here the PDF documents file type is automatically selected. After that, just click on the save and that's it. I just go back on desktop and here you can see the ABC PDF is saved. I just simply double click on it and here you see, okay, only one page with full data. So that's it. If you want to save your file as a CSV, go to the file tab, click on the save and double click on this PC option and you can see save as dialog box is open. Okay, then choose the location where you want to save. I select here the desktop and in file name you can edit here file name also, so I just edit here the file name. Okay, then in save as file type, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the CSV. You can see comma delimited. So here I select the CSV, then click on the save and that's it. Click on OK and your Excel file is saved as a CSV. I just go back. Here you can see your Excel file saved as a CSV. When you keep cursor on the file, you can see file type Microsoft Excel, comma separated value file, CSV. Okay, simply double click on it and you can use your file as a CSV. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.